Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best grill trays for vegetables you can find on the market, the MEHE Vegetable Grill Basket. Whether you're grilling veggies, fish, shrimp, or even meat, this accessory promises to elevate your barbecue game. Stick around as we explore its features, performance, and whether it's worth your hard-earned money. Let's kick things off with what makes the MEHE Vegetable Grill Basket stand out. It's crafted from durable alloy steel with a non-stick coating, measuring a spacious 14.6 inches by 11.4 inches. This means plenty of room to grill up a feast for friends and family without worrying about food falling through the cracks. One of the standout features is its versatility. Whether you're a veggie lover or craving some perfectly grilled seafood, this basket has you covered. The design not only prevents food from sticking but also allows for easy cleanup, thanks to its dishwasher-safe materials. Using the MEHE grill basket is a breeze. Simply preheat your grill, toss in your favorite ingredients, and let the basket do its magic. The well-spaced holes ensure even cooking and let those delicious grill flavors seep into every bite. Compared to other options out there, the MEHE stands tall with its sturdy build and ergonomic design. Whether you're a seasoned griller or just starting out, this basket is designed to make your outdoor cooking experience hassle-free. Wrapping up, if you're looking to step up your grilling game and add some variety to your barbecue sessions, the MEHE Vegetable Grill Basket is a solid choice. It's durable, easy to clean, and most importantly, delivers mouth-watering results every time. That's it for today's review on the MEHE Vegetable Grill Basket. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews. Let us know in the comments if you've tried this grill basket or if you have any questions. Until next time, happy grilling!